Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. And also you are staying home safely with your family members. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear students, now you are staying at home and that's why you are getting enough time to prepare your lessons. Dear students, are you practicing English and math? Are you trying to cover up your syllabus? Dear students, you should make a routine and you should try to complete your syllabus accordingly. Take care of your health. Take nutritious food. Drink safe water. Wash your hands again and again. Okay, dear students, today is Tuesday and on every Tuesday I have the class with you on English first paper. Dear students, have you got ready? Please take your English for today book. Take your English for today book and other necessary things. Okay, dear students, let's start our class. My dear little friends of class 6, I welcome you. I invite you, all the students of class 6, to join my online live English first paper class arranged by Khilga Government High School. This is Nurun Nahar with you, assistant teacher of English, Khilgaon Government High School. This is class 6 and I have the class with you on English first paper. Dear students, before starting our lesson, I want to remind you that, dear students, can you remember about our previous lesson? In our previous lesson, we learned about the huge constructions such as pyramids, Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal. They are the wonders of the world, but they are the old wonders of the world. In our previous session, at the end of the session, we read a dialogue about Nira and Mongpru. Can you remember, dear students? Nira and Mongpru were discussing something about the new wonders of the world. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, can you remember? So, can you guess what's our lesson today? Of course, yesterday we learned about the wonders of the world, about the old wonders of the world. Okay, also we will read today. We will discuss today about the about the wonders of the world. Okay, dear students. So today our lesson is also wonders of the world 2. Wonders of the world 2. Dear students, take your English for today book and open page number 70. Lesson 23. Dear students, take your book please. Open page number 70. Lesson 23. Okay, dear students, let us see what's our purpose today. What's our learning outcomes? What will be the result after completing the lesson? After completing the lesson, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand text. Write short paragraphs. Dear students, our today's lesson is very interesting. I request you all to stay with me the next 30 minutes and please be attentive. Okay, dear students, each and every lesson, in each and every lesson there are some keywords, there are some new words. Okay, dear students, let us see the keywords, the new words. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the text clearly. Okay, dear students. The first one is awesome. The first one is awesome. Dear students, there's a nice picture for you. Let us know what is the meaning. Extremely impressive. Say with me, dear students, extremely impressive. Extremely, অত্যধিক, অনেক বেশি, impressive, আকর্ষণীয়, attractive. Dear students, awesome. What is the meaning of awesome? Extremely impressive. Impressive. There is a nice picture of awesome. So, what is the meaning? Extremely impressive. অত্যধিক আকর্ষণীয়, চিত্তাকর্ষক. Okay, dear students, have you got it? Awesome. What is the pronunciation? Awesome. What is the meaning? Extremely impressive. অত্যধিক আকর্ষণীয়. Okay, dear students. Next. Fabulous. Fabulous. Say with me, fabulous. Dear students, let us see what is the meaning. Extraordinary. What is this? Extraordinary. Dear students, what is the meaning of extraordinary? Do you know? অসাধারণ. That means which is not ordinary. Extraordinary. অসাধারণ. Uncommon. So, try to be fabulous. Try to be extraordinary. অসাধারণ হওয়ার জন্য চেষ্টা করো. And for that, if you want to be fabulous or extraordinary, you have to work hard. তোমাকে অসাধারণ হতে গেলে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করতে হবে. Okay, so what is the meaning of fabulous? Extraordinary. There is a picture here, and in the picture there is an advice for you. Be fabulous. Okay, dear students, be fabulous. Okay, next. Recent. What is this? Recent. What is this? Recent. Dear students, what is the meaning of recent? New. That means নতুন, current, modern. একদমই সম্প্রতি, একেবারে new. Recent, সম্প্রতি, new, current, modern. So, what is the recent news? What is about the recent news? The recent news, already we know the recent news. We are now staying at home due to coronavirus pandemic situation. We are following the rules of health. We wash our hands. Okay, so recent. What is the meaning of recent? New, current, modern, নতুন, সম্প্রতি, একেবারে আধুনিক. Okay, dear students. Next. Invention. Dear students, pronounce with me, invention. There is a picture here for you, and in the picture you have seen that there is something written, science and invention. That means science has a relation with invention, and also the scientist. Maybe he is a scientist and he is trying to invent something. Now, let us see what is the meaning of invention. Creation or innovation. That means আবিষ্কার, নতুন সৃষ্টি. Creation, সৃষ্টি, or innovation, যেটা একদমই নতুন কোনো আবিষ্কার. So, invention, creation or innovation. Okay, dear students, আবিষ্কার, নতুন কোনো সৃষ্টি. Okay, next. Important. And you know what is the meaning of important? Significant, serious, urgent. What is the meaning of important? Significant. That means গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, serious, খুব serious কিছু, urgent, খুব তাড়াতাড়ি, আবশ্যক, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. Okay, please read. There is a notice here. Please read important message. Okay, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, what is the meaning of important? Significant, serious, urgent. Okay, dear students, next. Updated. What is this? Updated. Dear students, there is a nice picture of a keyboard. Can you understand this? That means the keyboard is updated. It is latest. So what is the meaning of updated? Made more modern. Aro beshi adhunik kora. In our we have seen that in our previous keyboard all the keys were black, but in this keyboard there is something new. That means this is an updated keyboard. Okay, so what is the meaning of updated? Made more modern. Okay, dear students, next, continent. Say with me, pronounce with me, continent. What is this? Continent. Dear students, there is a world map here, and do you know how many continents? Do you know there are 7 continents? North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Let us see what is the meaning of continent. A large land containing many countries. That means in North America there are many countries, and in Europe this is a continent. Europe is a continent. Asia is a continent. Africa is a continent. South America is a continent. Australia is a continent, and also Antarctica is a continent. That means a large land containing many countries. In Africa there are so many countries, and which one is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent, Mohadesh. Okay, what is the meaning of continent? A large land containing many countries. একটা মহাদেশ যেখানে অনেক দেশ আছে, একটা মহাদেশের মধ্যে অনেকগুলি দেশ আছে. We are living in Asia. In which continent do we live in? We live in Asia continent. আমরা এশিয়া মহাদেশে বাস করছি. Okay, next, spacecraft. What is this? Spacecraft. Pronounce with me, spacecraft. There is a nice picture of a spacecraft. Let us see what is the meaning. A vehicle to travel in outer space. Dear students, when we want to go to Chittagong, we can reach Chittagong by train or by plane or by bus. But if we want to travel to the space, then this vehicle, এই যানবাহনটা, spacecraft, this means মহা শূন্যযান, a vehicle, একটা যানবাহন to travel in outer space, যেটা বাহিরের শূন্যে, মহাশূন্যে, যেটা দিয়ে ভ্রমণ করতে হয়. So what is the meaning of spacecraft? A vehicle to travel in outer space, বাইরের জগতে, মহাশূন্যে ভ্রমণ করতে এই বাহনটা দরকার. So this is called spacecraft. And you have seen a lot of pictures of spacecraft in a computer or in television. Okay, next, difficulty. What is this? Difficulty. Pronounce with me, difficulty. There is an attractive picture, restaurant, attractive picture for you. A man is trying to push something, but he feels difficulty. So let us see what is the meaning of difficulty. Disadvantage, trouble or problem. That means সমস্যা, disadvantage, অসুবিধা, trouble or problem. So what is the meaning of difficulty? Disadvantage, trouble or problem. Okay, dear students, next, costly. What is this? Costly. Why is iPhone costly? Dear students, you know iPhone is very costly, very expensive. But why? Because there are so many devices. There are totally completely newness in an iPhone, and that's why iPhone is very costly. So what is the meaning of costly? Costing a lot or expensive, যেটার দাম, costing a lot, অনেক দাম, expensive, দামি, ব্যয়বহুল. So what is the meaning of costly? Costing a lot, expensive. Okay, dear students, next, handy. What is this? Handy. There is a picture of handy here in the mobile phone, something is written, that means handy is written here. So let us see what is the meaning of handy. Convenient to handle or use, যেটা ব্যবহার করতে বা সামলাতে খুবই সুবিধা হয়, দিস ইজ কল্ড হ্যান্ডি or useful অথবা দরকারি. সো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ হ্যান্ডি? কনভেনিয়েন্ট, সুবিধাজনক, টু হ্যান্ডেল, সামলানো, or ইউজ, ব্যবহার করতে যেটা সুবিধাজনক, দিস ইজ কল্ড হ্যান্ডি. ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, হ্যাভ ইউ গট ইট? ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, নাও go to the section A. Go to the section A. Okay dear students, read the text below. Okay dear students, Neera and Mongtu. There are two characters here. Neera and Mongtu are excited. That means they are tara খুবই উত্তেজিত. They are waiting eagerly. অত্যন্ত আগ্রহের সাথে they are waiting, তারা অপেক্ষা করছে for their teacher to come and start the lesson. They are going to read about the wonders of the modern world. Okay, read the text below. Let us read the text. Dear students, people often speak about the wonders of the past. লোকেরা প্রায় অতীতের বিষয়গুলো নিয়ে কথা বলে. Mostly they were huge buildings and constructions. বেশিরভাগই সেগুলো ছিল বিশাল বড় ভবন এবং নির্মাণশৈলী গঠন এবং বড় ভবন অথবা বড় গঠন. They are awesome and fabulous. They are awesome. সেগুলি অত্যধিক আকর্ষণীয় and fabulous, extraordinary, অসাধারণ. No doubt, নিঃসন্দেহে, there is undoubtedly they are awesome and fabulous. But the wonders of the present world, the huge buildings and constructions were the wonders of the past world. But also there are some modern inventions of the present world. There are some modern wonders of the present world and they are also unbelievable, যেগুলিকে আমরা বিশ্বাসই করতে পারি না. Read about the following recent inventions. Let us read about the new inventions. নতুন সেই আবিষ্কারগুলি সম্পর্কে আমরা এখন পড়ি. The first one, computers. The invention of the computer is very important in human life. Dear students, so easy. কম্পিউটারের যে আবিষ্কারটা মানব জীবনে অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. It has changed the lifestyle of people in the world. That means, dear students, you now at this moment you can't go to school, but I am conducting my class. I am conducting my class through my laptop and through my mobile phone. Dear students, you know there are various types of computers, and what is this? This is a desktop. What is this? This is a laptop. Okay dear students, so it has changed the lifestyle of people in the whole world. We use it in every sphere of our life. আমাদের জীবনের প্রতিটা ক্ষেত্রে আমরা এটাকে ব্যবহার করি. We can use it for studies, dear students, and already we are using laptop, we are using computer to conduct our studies. So dear students, this is not a new thing. Okay, and you know this. That means we are using it for our studies, for communication. We are using computer for communication. We are now watching movies. We can watch movies through computer. We can listen to music, and all these are known to you. তোমরা এইগুলি সবই জানো. Through computer, what things we can do. আমরা কি কি কাজ করতে পারি? You know everything. That means listening to music, playing games, and he is playing games through a computer, etc. Okay, in a moment in a moment, মুহূর্তের মধ্যে we can get information from any part of the world on the computer. কম্পিউটারের মাধ্যমে আমরা বিশ্বের যে কোনো অংশ থেকে তথ্য পেতে পারি. People don't feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. ওকে, এখন আর লোকেরা একাকিত্ব বোধ করে না, কারণ তারা কি করতে পারে, ইমেল পাঠাতে পারে তাদের ফ্রেন্ডস এবং আত্মীয় স্বজনের কাছে. Some of their friends and relatives also live in far off countries. That means sometimes our relatives may live in foreign or in abroad or outside Bangladesh. So we can they can talk to them face to face on the Skype. Okay, dear students, she is chatting and she is talking face to face. Okay, and you know this, with computer a person can always keep himself updated. That means a person can make himself modern through a computer. Everybody should learn to use the computer. I think you all have computers at your homes, so you and also you know how to use computer. In fact, the computer has made people's work easier and faster. কম্পিউটার মানুষের জীবনের কাজকে সহজ করে দিয়েছে এবং ফাস্টার, দ্রুততর করে দিয়েছে. At present, it has become a part of our daily life. Okay then, okay dear students, এটা এখন আমাদের জীবনের, কম্পিউটার এখন আমাদের জীবনের একটা অংশ হয়ে দাঁড়িয়েছে. Okay dear students, now I think you can write a paragraph very easily about computers. What are the uses, how we can use. Okay dear students. Okay, next, space travel. Next, go to space travel. মহাশূন্যে ভ্রমণ. This is a very thrilling part, dear students. This is a very attractive part of this lesson. Not 100 years before human beings used to think. 100 বছর আগের কথাও নয় যখন মানুষ ভাবতো, had I the wings of a bird, আহারে আমার যদি পাখির মতো ডানা থাকতো. Dream came true when the Wright brothers. Dear students, do you know who are the Wright brothers? They are the Wright brothers. What did they do? They invented the aeroplane. Okay, dear students, the Wright brothers, they are the Wright brothers. One is Orville Wright and another is Wilbur Wright. They invented first aeroplane. Okay, dear students. So, dream came true when the Wright brothers flew with the first airplane. They invented the first airplane. The Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, invented the first airplane. Now people travel faster than a bird. And you know, আমরা খুব সহজে এক দেশ থেকে আরেক দেশে বাই এরোপ্লেন we can travel faster than a bird. একটা পাখির চেয়েও খুব দ্রুততর আমরা উড়ে যেতে পারি. They not only travel from one continent to another continent. তারা এখন এক মহাদেশ থেকে আমরা এখন ইউরোপ যাচ্ছি. Now we can go to Europe, America, Australia and whatever may be the continent. We can go easily, very easily. They travel from one planet to another planet. Dear students, do you know? Dear students, this is the sun. This is Mercury, Buddha. This is Venus, Shukra. This is our planet, Earth. This is Mars, our next door planet. আমাদের নিকটতম গ্রহ মার্স, মঙ্গল, জুপিটার, বৃহস্পতি, স্যাটার্ন, শনি, ইউরেনাস, নেপচুন and Pluto. Okay, dear students, so this is the solar orbit. Okay, dear students, so we are now traveling from Earth to Mars and we are planning to travel to Jupiter. Okay, they travel from one planet to another planet. that human beings have set footsteps on the moon is now an old story. Dear students, do you know what is the picture about? The picture is about on the moon. Okay, our astronauts put their footsteps, set their footsteps on the moon, and now it is an old story. Spacecrafts have won the Mars, and already you have seen the picture of a spacecraft, Mahashunyo Jan, and these spacecrafts have won the Mars. This is the picture of Mars, Mongol Groho. মহাশূন্য যান এখন মঙ্গল গ্রহকে জয় করতে পেরেছে। এভরি নাও অ্যান্ড দেন মাঝে মাঝেই স্পেসক্রাফটস আর গোয়িং টু সি দ্য কন্ডিশনস অফ আদার প্ল্যানেটস। এই মহাশূন্য যানগুলো অন্য গ্রহের অবস্থান সম্পর্কে জানতে মাঝে মাঝেই তারা কি করছে, এই মহাশূন্য যানগুলো যাচ্ছে। অ্যাজ এ রেজাল্ট, ফলে people are planning to be interspace citizens in the coming days. আগামী যে দিনগুলি আসছে সেই দিনগুলিতে তারা আকাশের নাগরিক হতে তারা পরিকল্পনা করছে। আন্তঃমহাকাশীয় নাগরিক হওয়ার they are planning to be interspace citizens in the coming days. A day will come when people will live in the moon. Yes students, this is very thrilling. When people will live in the moon, মানুষ যখন চাঁদে বাস করবে, take education from the Jupiter, বৃহস্পতি থেকে লেখাপড়া শিখবে, and spend vacation in another space 1000 light years away, যেটা হলো শতবর্ষ হাজার আলোক বর্ষ দূরে অবস্থিত অন্য কোনো মহাদেশে তারা কি করবে, মহাকাশে অবসর কাটাবে। দ্যাট মিনস আমরা এখন চাইলে ইউরোপে গিয়ে পড়ালেখা করে আসতে পারি, আমেরিকাতে গিয়ে পড়ালেখা করে আসতে পারি, আমরা ঘুরে আসতে পারি, বাট তখন কি হবে, চাঁদে বাস করবে, বৃহস্পতি থেকে পড়াশোনা করবে, অথবা মঙ্গল থেকে পড়াশোনা করবে, অথবা মঙ্গলে গিয়ে ঘুরতে যাবে। সো a day will come when people will live in the moon, take education from the Jupiter, and spend vacation in another space 1000 light years away. হাজার আলোক বর্ষ দূরে অবস্থিত কোনো মহাকাশে they will spend their vacation. Okay dear students, now mobile phones. Mobile phone is another useful invention of the world. Like computers, mobile phones help us greatly in our daily life, and you know this. Through mobiles we can connect the whole world. আমরা পুরো পৃথিবীর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারি মোবাইল ফোনের মধ্য দিয়ে। Only a few years ago we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. এই few years ago, কয়েক বছর আগেও আমাদের প্রিয়জনদের সাথে যোগাযোগে আমাদের সমস্যা হতো। That was very costly too. That means it was also very expensive. We had to spend a lot of money to contact with our near and dear ones. Mobile phones are very handy. That means it is very easy to handle a mobile phone, to use a mobile phone, and we can use them for communication with people at a very low cost. Mobile phones have different functions, you know, such as making calls, listening to music, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Even it can be used for distance learning. Dear students, do you have any idea about distance learning? Okay dear students, this is the picture of Jupiter. Okay dear students, what is this? And you know, these are mobile phones, and through mobile phones we can make call, listen to music, taking photographs, storing information, and even it can be used for distance learning. Dear students, this is distance learning. Now I am discussing with you. That means this is the process where the teachers and students don't meet in a classroom. Dear students, we are not meeting now in a classroom. You are now at your home, and also now I am at my home, but we are discussing together through a device, and this is a mobile phone, and also sometimes we may discuss through computer. This is called distance learning. So distance, what is distance learning? এটা এমনই একটা পদ্ধতি where the students and the teachers don't need to meet in a classroom. শ্রেণীকক্ষে সাক্ষাৎ করার দরকার নাই. You are at your home and also I am at my home. But I am teaching, I am discussing with you about your lessons. So through a device, through a mobile phone, through a laptop. This is called distance learning. Okay, dear students. Now, so this is distance learning. Okay. Dear students, now go to the section A1. The first one is read the words in column A and match them with the meanings in column B. The first one is lonely. Next, sphere. Third one, impact. Fourth one, wonder and spacecraft. So, lonely. What is the meaning of lonely? Isolation. Sphere, area. Impact, influence. Wonder, surprise. Spacecraft, a vehicle that travels in space. Okay, dear students, I hope you have got this. Okay, dear students, now go to the section A2. There is also a table here. Read the words in column A and match the opposite meaning. বিপরীত অর্থটাকে you have to match. So the first one is unbelievable, second one is awesome, third one is fabulous, fourth tremendous, updated. So unbelievable, অবিশ্বাস্য. So what is the opposite meaning? Believable. Awesome, that means extremely impressive, simple. Fabulous, extraordinary, ordinary. Tremendous, অনেক বড়, অত্যধিক, tiny. Updated, backdated. Okay, dear students, so we have matched the meaning column A with the opposite meaning of column B. Okay, dear students, now go to the section B. Read the following dialogue and fill in the gaps. Okay, dear students, Neera, have you finished reading Monkru? What do you think? Dear students, listen to me very carefully. I am reading and I am trying to fill in the gaps. You have to understand it. Thank you, Neera. I must say they are really unbelievable. What is this? Unbelievable. So the first blank is unbelievable. Monkru, you Neera, Monkru, you see, most of the time we have referred to. Referred, R-E-F-E-R-R-E-D, referred to mobile phones or computers, but perhaps we often do not feel the importance. So the third one is importance of these devices. The fourth one is devices. Okay, dear students, Neera, sometimes I use my parents' laptop. I play games or watch movies or use the internet. I must say it is a good way to avoid this. Monkru, so do you agree that it is not a must? It is not a necessary thing? Okay, Neera, oh no, it's not a luxury at all. Anyway, what's your opinion about mobile phones and spacecraft? Monkru, well, I always wonder how this tiny device works without any cable and do so many things. It's a really surprise for us, isn't it? Neera, no doubt about it. And spacecraft? Monkru, after reading the article, we must say that it's fabulous. It's fabulous. Okay, dear students, now there is a homework for you, and this is section C. In the section C, at first you have to write a small paragraph. Okay? Okay, dear students, thank you. Thank you all. Dear students, thank you all. Dear students, please, lesson 23 is very important for you. And in my next class, I will show you, I will discuss with you about the question answering and MCQ of lesson 23. Okay, dear students, so try to complete the lesson 23. Okay, dear students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.